Welcome to Emerald Street, unit number C. This comes with a shared garage plus a parking outside of your garage. This is a 4-unit building with on-site laundry for the residents located towards the front of the building. Unit C is an upstairs unit. It's a 2-bedroom, 1 bath. It has a private area in front of the front door, as you can see here, with beautiful trees and shade. As you enter in, you'll see the nice stone flooring, gas furnace on the wall, a large slider out to your patio, and a spacious open kitchen to the living room with newer cabinets and countertops, dishwasher, and range. Freshly painted, this unit's very clean. To the right is the larger bedroom. Throughout the entire unit is recessed lighting, which is on dimmer switches. This bedroom has 2 closets, one towards the back of the room and a larger one towards the front. Just down the hallway to the right is the other bedroom with a closet. On the hallway, there's an additional closet for added storage, and the bathroom is spacious with a shower tub enclosure and has been totally remodeled as well. The owner pays water and trash here, and the tenant will pay gas and electric. If you're interested in viewing or wish to apply, please check us out at jamico.com.